Hola, hola, hola. Danko, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport bafowethu. Hey, nayi inkinga bafowethu uVilakazi ushake the whole country. We can see the whole country was shaking because of the way he turned, guys. It was impressive to see our player turning like this. It was very impressive bafowethu. You can see, look at this. Look at this. Look at the defender. He doesn't even understand what's going on. He just saw the ball passing him. He didn't understand what was going on. That's why he was left so far, very far. The problem is Ushabalala. Look at Shabalala. Instead of him being creative, ashaya isithende nje kuphela athi qa isithende nje intwana ingene iqedele le match manje yena usafuna ukushaya. I think he was also shocked to see Umfundo Vilakazi turning the way. Look at this boy. Look at the way he was very happy, guys. He was very happy. This guy, he was very happy. Look, guys. Look at this. That's what we need, guys. And we are going for a long break, guys. This is going to be a long break. Let's hope it won't bring our player in less form, guys, because we need them to be in form. If they are out of form, guys, that means we are going to start from scratch. Look at this boy, guys. Look at this boy. This was impressive, guys. I understand I have been watching football, but when I see the creativity like this, guys, it reminds me the players of overseas, guys, the way they play. Sometimes we don't need to play South African football only. We have to mix so that we can break the players, guys. We need something like this. We need something like this, guys, in our team. And you can see how the boy was happy. I think sometimes we have to put these young ones if we need to break the team. And then if we see that nothing is happening, then we can start mixing them with the old players who has experience, because these old players who have experience, guys, sometimes they are very selfish, guys. They don't just pass. Like, look at Miguel. Miguel, sometimes he can see Vilakazi is on the space, but he will